Here's something about a refrigerator, especially if you own animals. If you want your refrigerator to last many years, you need to pull it out. This is the big destroyer of these refrigerators, why they quit. Hair and dust and everything else collects in there. Stop the fan from turning and stop up the first thing we're going to do, we're going to pull this back off. Now you can do this at your house. You just need a whatever size. This looks like a 1/4 inch, or you can use a flat bladed common screwdriver. Take this back off. Take the front grill off. I mean, maybe at one time this did have one, but it doesn't now. But I'm going to turn this thing over and I'm going to show you the bottom of it, how bad this thing gets stopped up. Dogs, people bring in dust. Air conditioner blows it around, and this is where it winds up. Now you can't turn your refrigerator over, but if you have an electric leaf blower or something where you can get in behind it and blow all this stuff out of there, that's great. That's what you need. Or you can get a compressor like I'm gonna do and use a blowgun to blow this stuff out of there. Pretty bad. That dust is everywhere, and dog hair. So you still got a lot in the front you're going to have to blow out. Alright, let's flip it on its side again and see what it looks like underneath. See, we got a lot of it, but we couldn't get all of it. That's where a leaf blower comes in handy, but the only problem with a leaf blower is, and if you're inside the house, it's going to blow that stuff all over the house. So you make your own decision how you want to do it. The best thing to do is do it once a year. If you do want to get a hose, if you take it outside and you want to get a hose and rinse this thing off, do not get any water up inside where all the compressor and the fan is, because it'll get inside the starter and short it out. Then you'll have to buy you a $150 motor starter. So the best thing you can do is just blow it out, and just remember to do it every year. Alrighty, well I sure hope this helps.